Welcome to PC Error Detective, and in this video I will show you how to clear cloud storage so you can free up space easily. First, open your cloud storage service such as Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, or iCloud and sign into your account. Next, check your storage usage. Most services show a storage bar that tells you how much space is used and what is taking the most space, like photos, videos, or documents. Now, start deleting unnecessary files. Select large files, duplicate files, and things you no longer need. After selecting them, click Delete. Remember that deleted files usually move to trash and still take space until you empty it. Then, open the trash or recycle bin inside your cloud storage and permanently delete those files to actually free the space. This step is important, otherwise storage will not clear. Finally, manage automatic backups. Turn off auto backup for apps you don't need, such as automatic photo and video upload, or clean up large backup files like phone backups you no longer use. That's it. After doing these steps, your cloud storage will have more free space and work faster. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.